Meaning of greed.
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 Greed. Greed is an intense desire for material wealth or gain, often at the expense of others. It is a selfish and excessive pursuit of money, possessions, or power beyond what is necessary for survival or comfort. Greed can lead to unethical behavior, such as fraud, exploitation, and corruption, and can also damage personal relationships and society as a whole. Ultimately, it is a destructive force that can never be satisfied, as the pursuit of more and more wealth or status only leads to greater discontent and emptiness.